Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is implicit wait. Implicit wait is a global wait in Selenium. When implicit wait is set, Selenium waits for the given time only while locating the elements. It applies to all find elements and find elements calls. If the element is found earlier, Selenium proceeds immediately. Important points to notice: implicit wait does not wait for visibility. It does not wait for clickability. It only waits for the element present in the DOM. Because it is global, misuse can make tests slow and unpredictable. Here in the sample script, I am setting an implicit wait for 10 seconds. Now Selenium will wait for 10 seconds while finding the elements. If the elements appear earlier, Selenium continues immediately. This waits applies to every element lookup. That's why implicit wait must be used carefully. And also, if I run the sample script, it will wait for 10 seconds. I will run. First, login page is loaded and we enter the username. Implicit waits are waits for presence, not readiness. Implicit wait affects the entire test execution. In real frameworks, implicit wait is usually kept low or avoided. So whenever you want to wait for a certain element, it is not only single element, but across all the elements, then you will go for implicit wait. Implicit wait is global and salient. Never mix high impact wait with explicit value. Here I have used 10 seconds, so it should not be more than 60 seconds. It causes unpredictable delays. Now I will close the application.